Mm. Look, she's stopping me to get to Jordan. Help. Look at that. She's a jealous fiend. She's a jealous fiend. I can't get to my Jordan anymore. I can't help. Okay, Jordan. Mommy's gonna come. Mommy's gonna chum. Boy, what a life to be Jordan. Ah, leave me alone. I'm the king. I am heir Jordan. Okay. Ah.